Hi, this is Candace with JWB. We're here at 6003 Commodore Drive to do a final walk on our property turn. As you first enter the front door, we entered the living room. Off to your right is your first bedroom. Towards the rear of the home is your kitchen. You have a bonus room off to the right with your utility closet with washer and dryer connections. As we proceed down the hallway, we come to your hall bath. Your second bedroom. Your third bedroom. And finally, your master bedroom. Your master bedroom has its own private bath. That completes the final walk for this home. This home is now available for rent.